Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, swipe up the screen and look for calendar application on your smartphone. In it, tap on day when you want to add our event, maybe 27th of July, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part you can add emoji to that which you see in your calendar. There we can change color of our notification in calendar of this event. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or we can set it will be all day. This part we can add location of event. There we can add this event to your group on Gmail. Notification to that, maybe 2 days before. We can add more than one and we can add customized notification. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every week or especially what you prefer. Attachment, video conference we can make, we can invite some people to this event, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and you have it in your calendar with your emoji and color. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!